Hello and welcome back to my channel. Today I randomly decided to film a video. This wasn't even like a planned thing. I just woke up. Well, I guess it's the afternoon now, so I did not just wake up. I woke up, went to the dentist, did a few things, and then decided that I wanted to film a week of my lunches. But I think this one's gonna be a little bit different from my normal ones because I'm gonna be doing this vlog style. It's not completely like vlog style because I have a camera on a tripod in front of me. I'm not completely vlogging, but I think through the week if I go out to lunch or if I'm not at home, I'll be doing a vlog style. I think for today, for day one, for lunch, I'm gonna be making ricotta toast. If you guys remember, that was like a really big trend on TikTok maybe 6 months ago, and I think I tried it out then, but I've been eating it recently just on my own and it is so good. But I'm definitely gonna like step it up a bit. So actually let me go to my fridge and get everything that I need. Over the past few times that I've made it, I've just done sourdough, some vegan butter, and then this Kite Hill almond ricotta, which this is like, obviously, I don't know if there's any other vegan ricottas out there. I was about to say this is the best vegan ricotta, but I think this is the only vegan ricotta I've ever tried. Apparently also they just came out with a whipped version of this and I have not found it in stores, but someone commented that on my TikTok and I need to find it. Yeah, but basically I was just doing sourdough, vegan butter, ricotta, and some seasoned salt, and don't get me wrong, it was great, but I definitely wanted to step it up today. So I'm stepping it up a lot. I'm gonna be doing the same sourdough, same vegan butter, same ricotta. Then I am going to be sauteing some heirloom tomatoes, mushrooms, and some garlic, and then I think I'm also gonna be making it an avocado ricotta toast. I'm gonna do the layer of butter, I'm gonna do the layer of ricotta, but then I'm also gonna do the layer of avocado because I think it sounds really tasty. So I think we're just gonna get started on cooking because I think that's all the info that I have. Okay, our toast is done and so is everything else we need to add on top. So I have my bread right here, and I think I'm just gonna start by adding some Earth Balance vegan butter. It's honestly probably not very necessary, and I don't know if I'm gonna taste it after I add everything else on top, but butter makes everything better. Adding on the avocado as well, but now we're gonna add on the mushrooms and tomatoes, and I actually decided not to cook the tomato. On second thought, I thought it would be better raw, so I'm just gonna add on the very garlicky mushrooms. I added 3 cloves of garlic for 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 mushrooms pieces, just little pieces of mushroom. So it's gonna be very garlicky, but I am not complaining. For aesthetic purposes and for the photo, I'm gonna leave off 2 of the mushroom pieces and then I'll add them on after, but I like the look of it better too. And then I have some of the tomatoes I'm gonna add on. I just cut them up. I'm gonna add on some of this, which is like the last of it, this Fly by Jane chili, Szechuan chili crisp something or another. And there we have it. Fancy feta avocado toast. But I have been very into juices recently, just like store-bought juice. I mean, I have a juicer. I do love using the juice, but there's been this one brand of juice called Luza that I've been obsessed with, and I was buying them for weeks, and then all of a sudden my store sold out of them, and they just haven't restocked them since, and I've been so sad about it. But my favorite flavor that I had tried was pear. So I found this pear juice in hopes of it being, that is not the right list, in hopes of it being at least similar. So we're gonna try that. It's very good. And I do really like it, and it has pretty much the exact same flavor. I mean, they're both pear juices. I don't know how different they could really taste, but this one's thinner, not as good. I hope Luza comes back in stock. But I guess I'll be back in 24 hours to show you guys my lunch, whatever I eat tomorrow. Hello, we are back for lunch day 2, and today I'm gonna be making a smoothie bowl because honestly, I haven't made a smoothie bowl in probably at least a month, which for me is a very long time, but it's just been cold. I've already been having like a hard time getting out of bed because it's cold, so I don't want to get myself more cold by eating a smoothie bowl. And I don't have the most fun ingredients. It's gonna be a pretty basic smoothie bowl, but I'm still excited for it. So we're gonna add frozen bananas, of course, first. That's always a given in any smoothie bowl I make. Then we're gonna add in some frozen mango, which I actually bought for a TikTok. I'm supposed to film after this. I don't think we need them all though, so I'm just gonna add some in. I think it's fine. Yeah, turns out I really don't have many smoothie bowl ingredients like at all, so it's going to be very simple. I'm gonna add in, I added on some frozen strawberries on top, and I'm gonna add on some hemp seeds. Honestly, that was a lot, but I'm not mad about it. And then I'm gonna add your plant milk of choice, but today I have something new. I've like used it once before, but I used it in a pasta sauce, and I feel like that doesn't really count all that much because I had so many other flavors with it, I couldn't really taste it. But this is sesame milk. They sent me, this brand is called Hope and Sesame. This is not at all sponsored, but they sent me a few flavors, and I've only tried the original. Let me like water, even though I'm the only person drinking from this, I'm still gonna waterfall it. It kind of tastes like soy milk. It's definitely like the closest plant milk I would relate it to. Definitely tastes like soy milk. I think I would prefer oat or almond over this. Maybe I changed my mind. There are 8 grams of protein per cup. That is very different than oat or almond milk. So I guess, you know, it's a trade-off. It's also pretty thick, which I actually do enjoy too. We have strawberries and raspberries, so I'm gonna rinse off the raspberries and cut up the strawberries, but look. I don't know if you guys can tell how big these strawberries are. They are huge. Time for assembly, even though it's gonna take about 15 seconds because I have nothing to assemble. You guys know I love coconut bowls. I don't even know how many are right here. So many. I have, honestly, I think like 3 still in the packaging in my pantry. I love them. But, and you guys know that I use them a lot. I have one that's probably, I mean, my favorite because it's like the only one that's different than the rest. And I don't think I've shown it to you guys on YouTube yet. I got this in Hawaii over the summer and I'm obsessed with it. It's beautiful and it's this like, I don't even know, little tiled floral coconut bowl, and it's so cute. So we're gonna put my smoothie bowl in that today. And then I only cut up 1 of the 2 strawberries because they're so big. This is honestly all that I need. And then a few raspberries, and I think we're good to go. Lunch, I may end up eating a protein bar with this. If I don't eat a protein bar with this, I'll eat one probably soon after as a snack, but see you guys tomorrow for whatever I make next. Happy day 3. I'm about to make probably the simplest lunch, definitely in this video, and probably the simplest lunch I've ever posted on my channel. I don't know why, but I've been in the biggest angel hair pasta kick. It is just so good. I don't know if I can say #1 pasta shape. I feel like that's a really big claim, maybe top 3, but I don't know. Something about it being so thin, it makes it like 500 times more fun to eat than spaghetti. So I'm gonna make some angel hair pasta, but the simple part comes in what I'm adding on top. I think I'm just gonna be adding some vegan butter and some pre-made jarred marinara sauce. So you guys won't be learning too much from this, but it's what I'm eating this week. So I'm showing you guys an honest, accurate representation of what I'm eating this week. I'm gonna boil some water and then add these in, and that's pretty much all. You guys know how to make pasta. So as you guys saw, I got myself some buttered angel hair pasta, and now I'm gonna add this sauce, which is just plain organic marinara sauce. It's really simple. Oh no. I thought I had more than this. That really sucks. I just like simply don't have enough sauce. There's not much I can do. Maybe I'll add some more butter if I think it's not like wet enough, but you know, it'll still taste great. So I'm gonna eat this. And now that my meal is already like a kid's meal, might as well make a kid's drink. So I'm gonna make myself a Shirley Temple. I ordered these Sprite cans online and I didn't realize that they were the mini cans, so I get to make myself a mini Shirley Temple. I don't know if I've mentioned this online or if anybody remembers this, like before I started YouTube, like 6 years ago, I made myself like a New Year's resolution that I wasn't gonna drink soda anymore, which soda was like never I don't know, I never drank enough soda for me to ever think that I needed to make a New Year's resolution to not drink soda. Anyways, that's long gone. I don't drink soda a lot. I'm still not the biggest soda person, but we're done with that stupid New Year's resolution that didn't even need to be there in the first place. And then I just like kept going on with it, and then once it hit like year 3, I was like, oh, I'm 3 years in, like I can't break it now. Well, then I broke it. So now I have Sprite, I have root beer, and cream soda all in my pantry. And it's pretty great. Add in a couple of cherries, some grenadine, and I don't really have room for ice right now, but I guess I'll just add ice as I drink. delicious. Okay, thank you for coming along with me to make my very, very, very simple lunch, but I'm very excited to eat it nonetheless. Okay, I was able to fit in 3 ice cubes. Goodbye, toodles, see you tomorrow. Hope you're having a great day. Oh, good afternoon. It is now day 4, I believe, I'm pretty sure, and I'm gonna be making lunch again. I think I'm gonna be making a burrito bowl. I got a package from the brand Right Rice a few days ago, and they sent me a few things. This is also not at all sponsored. But I love Right Rice. It's like rice, but it's made out of lentils and chickpeas, and it's really, really, really good. So I'm gonna cook some of this up. I think I have some beans, spring mix, tomatoes. I don't think I have avocado, sadly, and a few other things. So I'll make a burrito bowl, and let's get started. Okay, lunch is done. I am seriously so excited for this bowl. I just kept adding more and more things, and now we have a lot. We have the Spanish white rice, which I've never tried. Let me take out my Invisalign so I can taste it. Bet it's gonna be good. I don't see a world in which it's not. Yeah, very, very good. Chickpeas, I love chickpeas. Honestly, they're probably my favorite bean, like, of all time, or like in any type of recipe, but burrito bowls, I don't love chickpeas. I really thought I had either black beans, pinto beans, refried beans, any other type of beans in my closet. Not my closet. I don't keep beans in my closet. I keep beans in my pantry. And I didn't, so I had to use garbanzo beans, which is fine. They're just not the best burrito bowl legume in my opinion. And then I have some spring mix. Turns out I did have a quarter of an avocado left, so that made me very, very, very happy. Some heirloom tomatoes, chipotle bitchin sauce, Violife mozzarella, and hemp seeds. And I think that is all. I'm gonna go eat this, and I will see you guys tomorrow. Believe it or not, at a Christmas party for my lunch. Hey guys, I'm coming on to talk about my odd lunch this day. It's very odd because it was middle of January and I was at a Christmas party. If you've been following me for years, I've probably posted about this. My family, like my extended family, does a Christmas party either in January or February every year. So this was that day. And I had some Gardein, like turkey cutlets with gravy, salad, focaccia bread, stuffing, mashed potatoes. Berry pie. I had some berry pie too. I totally forgot to film that. I guess that's kind of like a snack. It wasn't really included in my lunch, but it was kind of my lunch. It was my lunch dessert, so yeah. That's all that I really have to say about it. I don't have any clips of me making it or anything, or my family making it, but it was very tasty. Welcome to day 5. I think it's day 5. Honestly, I need to go back and look at my footage. I've kind of lost track as of now, but I am making a lunch that's actually breakfast, but it's lunchtime, so I'm eating it as lunch. And I've been wanting to make for a handful of days now, and I don't know why I haven't gotten around to making it, but I just wanted to make a sausage, egg, and cheese breakfast sandwich. So I have some just egg, I have follow your heart cheddar slices, and Beyond Meat sausages and spicy. And I think I'm just gonna cook these all probably on the same pan in some sourdough, and that might be about it because I'm sadly out of avocado, but either way, I still think it's gonna be delicious. Well, this sucks. Halfway through cooking the eggs, I realized that the sausages definitely have been in my freezer for a long time. I can't quite remember when I bought them, and they were definitely freezer bitten and would not have tasted good at all. And it was too late to like repivot to a whole new meal. So now I just have a very plain sandwich. I have sourdough, vegan butter, cheese, eggs, sausage, no sausage, spring mix, and that's about it. And now that I don't have a protein source, I don't have any quick things that I can just whip up right now. So the only thing that I have are these chips. I don't know if protein chips are the best way to go, but it has lentils, rice, black beans. They're Beyond Puffs, and they're like cheddar. They're pretty good. I like Hippies a bit more, but I still enjoy these. So I'm gonna go eat this. I'm so sad. Hello, it is day 7 of my what I eat in a week for lunches, and today I'm actually going out to a restaurant, which I'm excited for. Just because I wanted you guys to see some fun food, I'm going to Nick's on Beverly, which is a really cute restaurant. We're going for brunch because I think we're on the tail end of the brunch time. I'm going with my mom and aunt because we're going to go see the Mean Girls musical today, which I'm very excited about, but I'm also equally excited for lunch because the very first time that I went for this restaurant, I went for brunch and it was so good. I got like a waffle breakfast sandwich and something else. I split with somebody, I forgot. But it's also been like a year and a half since then, so I think the menu might be changed a little bit, and I love brunch food, so I'm very excited. And yeah, I honestly don't know too much about the restaurant beyond that it's super yummy and super cute inside, and I love it, so I think we're just gonna head out, and I'll see you guys there. Okay, I am getting the Southern style fried oyster, mushroom, and waffles. I've never had it, but it looks really good. And thought I'd try something new. Bigger than my head. No! I just spilled all of my maple syrup over everything. Hi guys, I was at Nick's and I ran into Naomi and I just wanted to say hi to the vlog. And this is the last day I'm filming a week of my lunches, so this is the last day and we'll say bye to the video. Bye!